Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the language on KakaoTalk. Whether you are learning Korean or just want to switch things up, it's super easy. Let's dive right in. First thing first, open up the Kakao app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in into your account. Once you are inside the app, tap onto the More tab at the bottom right corner. This will take you to the setting page. Now, tap onto the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen to open up the setting option. Scroll down to find the language option. Here you will see different kind of languages that you can use here. For example, I will be choosing Italiano. There you go. Now your KakaoTalk will be in Italiano language. And just like that, everything from your chat list to setting will be displayed in the language you selected. It's that simple. And that's it. You have now successfully changed the language on KakaoTalk. Whether you want it in Korean or any other languages, you can easily switch back and forth whenever you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.